Hello applicants, XAT 2026 registration has started, so let's see how to apply for the exam. First of all, go to xatonline.in website and click on Registration tab. Enter relevant details and login. A verification link will be shared in the email ID. Now click on the link to verify your registration. In the new page, click on Application option to start filling up the form. On this page, fill personal details like nationality, disability, parents' details and address. Then click on Next option to go to the second page of the application form. In the second page, fill your education details from class 10th to graduation. If you have PG degree, you can add details about it too. Please remember to add correct details. Now go to the next page. In this page, you have to enter work experience details if applicable. If you wish to apply for XLRI Jamshedpur, you need to select yes and choose the preferred course. Next, move to test city selection page. Here you can select 6 cities of your preference for test center allotment. Be careful about making a choice here as you will be allotted test city accordingly. In the next page, upload your passport size photo, scanned signature and a copy of photo ID card issued by the Government of India. You will have to enter the ID number. After this, make the declaration of details mentioned in the form as correct and go to fee payment window. XAT fee is Rs 2200 for all candidates. The fee can be paid in various online payment modes. Choose your payment mode and make fee payment to complete the XAT application process.